This is me 6 years ago recording my first YouTube videos.
Dzisiaj chciałem wam zaprezentować projekt mojego dyfuzora dźwięku.
I spent countless hours in front of the camera pursuing my YouTube dream. Here is how to speak fluently and confidently on camera. Some of those techniques will make you a good speaker instantly, others will require practice. This has nothing to do with a talent. Of course, some people have a natural speaking abilities, but they mean nothing if you don't work on them. Hard work will always be talent if talent doesn't work hard. Let's jump into what I have for you today. Pure content, no fluff. If you want to start recording yourself and speak to camera, first you need to plan your speech. There are two methods: bullet points that keep you on track, or a word-for-word script displayed on a prompter. From my own observations, bullet points will work well if you have a natural ability or you are willing to practice. Your content will appear much more natural and you will be able to make it your own. No matter what you choose, always start by writing a rough plan on the subject you want to talk about. If you decided to use a word-for-word script and display it on a prompter, here is how to tackle this task. After writing the whole script, read it out loud. You will hear the difference between written and spoken text and adjust it accordingly. Once you fine-tune the whole script and you will feel like it's complete, read it at least 10 times. Remember, you're trying to mimic natural talking. Do long pauses between sentences and short ones after commas. The more you read it, the more natural it will sound. Ideally, you would write and fine-tune the script, read it aloud multiple times in short practice sessions, and record it the next day. This way it will feel the most natural possible. Your first attempt might be a little robotic, but that's normal. Don't try to be perfect. Done is better than perfect. Just keep moving between projects and from time to time, watch your first video. Not only will it feel great to see improvements, but you will also be able to improve from watching. When it comes to prompters, keep it simple. One of those cheap plastic prompters that you insert your phone into will do just fine. In fact, I'm using one right now. Invest in app. I'm using Prompt Smart Plus. It has voice detection and it will scroll the text automatically. As a bonus tip, to sound extra fluent and make your video look super smooth, record yourself from 2 angles and hide mistakes between cuts. Another bonus tip: even though you can ask ChatGPT to write your entire script, I don't recommend it using it that way. It will make it sound less like you, so creating that personal brand you are aiming for might not be consistent across your videos. Use it to correct your grammar and improve sentences, but ask it to keep the core script untouched. This is pretty much prompter mastery. If you ask me, I would always choose bullet points that only keep me on track with the topics I'm talking about, but won't be word-for-word text. Depending on the video, I'm just writing general topics and things I have to say to camera. I just record myself, and every time I feel like I'm talking too much gibberish, I look at my list. This way, content will appear much more natural and your audience can relate to it much better. Because we are all human, we all make mistakes. And we relate to those who make mistakes. We don't like to watch over-polished influencers. With that being said, I'm still using the prompter on this channel. Why? Because English is my second language, and although I speak fluent English, it's not advanced to the point where I was satisfied with my speaking. So here I'm using a prompter, but on my native language channel, just bullet points. One disadvantage of bullet points is that you will make lots of and you'll have more work removing those later in post. It's less work in editing if you have a word-for-word script. Overall, your talking to camera skill will improve the more you practice. Even without a script or bullet points, you'll sound and look amazing in front of the camera, even in vlogging style situations. Let me tell you, it will be a little annoying. You'll make mistakes, you will get emotional at the beginning, but I promise you, just stay in the game and enjoy your improvement. This is my experience and no fluff advice on how to speak to camera. If you feel like I deserve it, the only thing I want to ask is a subscription so I can grow this community and help more people. If not, that's cool. I really appreciate you watched till this point. It's pretty crazy.